All right, good evening. So today we have a, student CTF problem. It's from our friend JD. He wrote this program called Weak PHP, and we're going to take care of we're going to take advantage of a vulnerability in the weak code vulnerability because the vulnerability here is in this function string case compare. So the idea here is we have an input form and we're supposed to guess what the flag is if it was hashed. And we can see here in the source code that it is, we have the variable flag, which contains the flag, and they do a SHA-224 hash on it. And they also have our input from the input field here, and they're going to compare the hash of the flag to whatever we input. And if they are the same, string compare will return 0, which will come down to this line and else. And it will add a success to the success count. And we should also get the flag. So our vulnerability will allow us to break this without figuring out what the hash of the flag is, right? The breaking code here is that if one of the inputs for string compare is not a string, but instead an empty array, then it will return 0. And then we'll get the same result as if we guessed the hash. So this is a post command, and that's what our input is. So we'll go to postman. Here we'll select post. Here's the URL of the website. And then as our key, we do flag hash, and flag hash was our variable name here, right? And then we put little brackets here to make it an array. And then the value is the hex 22 and hex 22, and these are the double quotes, right, in ASCII. And this will make it so that's an empty array. And now let's send this over. And what we get here, we see that the success incremented to 27. And then we have our flag down here.